Getting ready for that bowling season. We are starting at Cleveland Central down in the Delta, and that is coming up on the 9th. What is the 9th? Is that Thursday. Coach, tell us a little bit about this first and very important bowling match.
Well, really excited about it. This is a former championship team that we're going against. I think they won 2 years ago. They usually keep a very nice set of bowlers on them. Their coach is pretty well known. So I think it'll be a great first test for us.
Tell us how JJ here with his brand new chop has been doing preparing for bowling season.
I mean, I think he's ready. I think he's in for a rude awakening, though. He's really good, but I think he's going to see that, he can be tested, even with his new chop.
All right, I think the whole school wants you to see you line up right here in the hall and just give us an example of your bowling flow. Okay. So here we go, everybody. Your leg is just fine.
Just like we talked about. Come on, don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Okay. Right through. Walk through. All right, you ready? All right. Okay. Yeah.
So you took your elbow back. This is exactly what you're gonna do. Exactly what I'm gonna do. You gotta know what feet you're stepping off of first. Too.
All right, let's go. Let's see it. 1, 2.
That's not right. That's not right. Don't.
I'm not sure how that's gonna happen against Cleveland Central on Thursday. Bree, what you think? You got any? She's got a funny face on. Okay, crossed the foul line and landed on the court itself, the alley itself. Now we have Center Hill coming up on November 15th, and that's going to be right here at Strike Zone, which Strike Zone is technically our home court. So tell us a little bit about the Center Hill meet.
Center Hill is also a pretty good team. They have historically kept, a nice program with them. Talked to their coach a lot. We're not worried about them. We're Horn Lake Eagles, so we're going to show up, show out. I hope not if JJ's doing that though. We're hoping for the best.
All right, so we also have a Tupelo meet coming up in November. Tell us a little bit about the Tupelo. Is this multiple teams?
Yes, it'll be Tupelo and Manatee. We're going to travel to Tupelo. Tupelo keeps at least 2 good bowlers. Actually, one of their bowlers is ranked at least number 4 in the state right now. I think his highest score was like a 240 or something like that. But like I said, we're going to be very competitive. It's our first year back going, so we're not really worried. Whatever happens. We're going to control what we can. We're going to do the best we can.
Where's JJ currently ranked?
Can I plead the 5th?
I'm ranked number 1 in my heart.
In his heart. That video evidence probably speaks for itself. The rest of the season, we go all the way into February, Coach, but we got some December dates: Olive Branch, DeSoto Central, Tupelo. We have the regionals, and then possibly state championship, which we hope that we're going to be landing at the state championships as well.
It is yet, though.
Right, all of that will be to be announced later and to be determined. But right now, we're looking at this Thursday, Cleveland Central. We're excited about that. How far is this? How far of a trip is this?
About an hour 45, hour 50, something like that. I'm driving the bus, so.
All right. Y'all got any stops planned? Any fast food?
But they do have a great restaurant in the bowling alley, Cleveland, so probably just get them something there.
Oh, little snacks while bowling. Now, if you get greasy fingers and you slip and do what you just did after eating snacks in the bowling alley, you're going to embarrass all of us.
What y'all don't know, I just threw a strike, but it's all right.
So you landed on the floor, but you also made a strike at the same time.
I wish I caught it on video.
We got it on video.
I'm in at the alley. No, I remember one time I was actually falling, and I caught myself as I fell and looked up, and it rolled in a strike.
Did anybody else see that, or was this in your dream?
It was 2 other people saying it.
All right, we're going to send a video camera with you. Can you get us some shots of the bowling?
Of course I can.
Everybody wants to see it.
And he'll be here too to help with that. Then I have my iPad set up, so we're gonna get some first POVs.
I love it. I love it. Bowling is officially underway this week. We're excited.
We wanted to chat with several students on the bowling team.
All right, we have several bowling team members here. Tell us, why did you sign up for bowling? Do you just enjoy the game?
Yeah. I don't know what else you want me to say.
Well, this interview's off to a great start. Why did you choose to bowl? Why do you like bowling?
Well, it was just a little hobby I picked up. When I found out I was good, it just kept on going.
Okay, tell us, what has the bowling practice been like? Like, what are practices like?
They're good. I mean, it's like basically a challenge between everybody to get the most strikes or whatnot.
Okay, so y'all have fun at practice, just bowling against each other and playing.
Yeah, it's just a little friendly competition, a little fun on the side. That's all it is.
Okay, now y'all have the first meet up Friday, tomorrow. Tell us a little bit about the meet and what you're expecting.
I'm expecting to win. It's gonna be our first game, so.
What's the best game you've ever bowled?
I really don't remember.
What's the best game you ever bowled, and what are you looking forward to for tomorrow?
Well, best game 258. Tomorrow I'm looking to maybe beat that.
There you have it from our very vocal bowling team. We are all excited about the meet down in the Delta tomorrow. Meanwhile, the basketball team is doing a very good job as they prep for their game. Again, who doesn't know how EVTV works? He's talking about his game today, and this is going to play tomorrow.
We had a basketball game yesterday at Center Hill. Very good competition. Trey 5, 25. Jordan 30. Y'all want to sing a song? I'm going behind the back off a log.
Only J2 can do all this.
Grenada. Dub. We have Lake Cormorant next Tuesday.
You can guess what that is, but it's not a dub.
Olive Branch. It's going to be a little comp, but dub.
Also dub.
Horn Lake, Mississippi versus Tennessee Challenge at Horn Lake High School.
Who do we play? Kip?
Oh, we play Kip. Dub. And then the rest of these, it's just some good games. Make sure y'all come out and support, because it's going to be dubs. She said she wants some Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross.
He doesn't deserve the mic. He's not even a good player, so I don't know why he's talking. He sucks too. Put the camera on him. Yeah, he sucks. He's not even.
But he can't shoot.
Can't shoot. Can't dunk. I dunked on him yesterday.
Bro, I just came back from football. Trey, Pooh, John, he just here. He just here. Give me after this week, and Trey will be in the blender.
I ain't even gonna lie, just get him out the camera. It just needs to be bucket getters right now.
It's us.
It's us. Bucket getters.
We're them.
12 and 5.
I'm number one.
Number one.
Number 99 and number 100 right here. And number 1.
But you're number 0, because that's the amount of minutes and points you'll be getting. So let's go ahead and cut that out.